students, once again I am here with yet another class, and this is our EVS class, Environmental Studies. And what are we learning? We are learning good manners. That is very important in our life, to follow good manners always. When you stay in house, if you go outside, if you go to a restaurant, you have to follow the good manners. Okay, and today in good manners we are going to learn some magic words. Magic words. What do you think? What is a magic words? Okay, we'll learn later on. Okay, but before that, today I'm going to teach you a rhyme that is in our rhyme book. Okay, song on good manners. Song on good manners. Shall we start? When you hurt someone, you should say sorry and please all of them. It's a nice gesture, it's a good manner, and one should remember that. When you hurt someone, you should say sorry and please all of them. It's a nice gesture, it's a good manner, and one should remember that. If you get something, you should say thank you and please all of them. It's a nice gesture, it's a good manner, and one should remember that. If you get something, you should say thank you and please all of them. It's a nice gesture, it's a good manner, and one should remember that. If you want something, you should say please and please all of them. It's a nice gesture, it's a good manner, and one should remember that. If you want something, you should say please and please all of them. It's a nice gesture, it's a good manner, and one should remember that. Okay children, in this song we had learned some words such as sorry, thank you, please. Sorry, thank you, please. So these are the golden words. But how will you use these golden words? I am going to give you some example. If you are ever in school and you are coloring your worksheet, you need a crayon that is beyond your reach. Okay, and you are sitting and that crayon is that place, you can't reach it out and you want that crayon. Then what do? You should not stretch your hand and take it. Instead, what you have to do is, you have to ask your friend who's sitting near the crayon, those who is sitting near the crayon, you have to ask, can you please pass me that crayon? Can you please pass me that crayon? This is how you have to use the word please. In case, suppose you are in house, okay, you are eating and you want water. Water is not near you. Your mama is sitting near you, beside you, and your papa is sitting beside mama, and the water is near your papa. Then how will you ask, Daddy, can you please pass the water? Like this you have to ask. Okay, Daddy, can you please pass the water? Okay, so this is how you have to use the word please. Okay, and suppose your auntie is giving you any instruction in the school, or your mama is giving any instruction in the house, and you are not able to got it. Okay, so what you have to do? You have to say, pardon me, can you repeat one more time? Can you please repeat one more time? Okay, pardon me, can you repeat one more time? Can you please say it one more time? Okay, this is how you have to say. And if you are playing with your friend, suddenly what happens? You suddenly, when you run by, accidentally you hit your friend and he fell down. What do? Will you simply come from that place? No, that's not good manner. You go near to him, you say sorry. You have to say sorry and help him to get up. Okay, you have to help him out to get up. Okay, children. The next is, if a friend has come to your house to play with you and he played and now he is going back to his house, then how will you send off? How will you send him off? You have to say, thank you for coming to my house. You have to say, thank you for coming to my house. Okay, and it's your birthday and an auntie has come to your house and she gives you a gift. It is that you don't like. Will you say, I don't like this? Will you say like that? Or you will behave politely? You have to behave politely. Thank you. You have to say, thank you. It was so nice of you to get me a gift. Thank you. It was so nice of you to get me a gift. Okay, children. So you have to use these magical words while you're talking to your parent or talking to your friends or your grandparents also. For example, sorry. If you spill anything in your house, if you by mistake broke anything in your house, you should say sorry. If mama gives you anything to eat or mama gives you anything as a gift, you should say thank you. Okay, and if you want anything from mama or your friend or anyone else, you should say please. Mama, please can you give me the snacks? Okay, so you have to use the word please. Okay, so I am going to show you some pictures. Here you could see that a girl is holding a paper bag with some breads in it. The boy wants the bread. So what is saying? Please. He is saying please. Okay. Here is another picture where the boy is gifting a gift to his friend. And the one who is receiving the gift, what is he saying? Thank you. Thank you. Okay. So you have to say like that. So here, this is a picture of a father and the son. The son, he is playing with the ball and by mistakenly he accidentally hit his dad. So what does he say? Sorry daddy. Okay, so you have to use those words. Next, if your friends comes to your house, how will you greet them? You have to say welcome. Welcome to my house. Okay. And your friend enjoyed the day playing with you in your house and he is going back. See, the girl is going to her house after playing with her friend. What is the boy saying? Bye. Thanks for coming. Okay, so this is how you have to use this magical words when you talk. Okay, children. So hereafter, will you use all these magical words when you talk with your parents? Yes, very good. If you use these magical words when you talk, it will be a good manners. Okay, children. So do follow the good manners whenever you talk to anyone and be good children. Okay. So until I meet you on the next new day, it's your auntie saying bye and do take care of yourself.